Brad Williams, XL Prime, as I've mentioned to you, the functions are many within Excel, over 450. Here's one. Well, you're gonna have to turn over a lot of rocks to find this one, and then when you do, you go FILTERXML. Well, that's on the top of my list of wanting to learn. It's a tool to strip out any XML within a string of information. What I'm talking about, if you have, well, this is HTML. HTML, FILTERXML, it's read the same way. If we want to strip out and just see the actual text, here we go. Just use FILTERXML, B5, place in here in your second argument, the path. We have the XML, which is B5, the XPath. So we're getting rid of /title. It'd be sort of like left or right, but it's just taking out HTML code. You can read up over here on your right if you need to. Brad Williams, XL Primed.